Hey guys! Today I'm gonna show you how I style my Harley Quinn wig. It's pretty messy, but I think it's pretty straightforward. And that's it! Thank you so much! I'm kidding, I wish it was that simple. I have like 2 hours of footage. So I'm starting off by spraying down my hair just so it'll stay inside of the wig cap. It's way easier to style your wig that way, especially if you have longer and darker hair, because it won't stick out when you're trying to cut that hair. And it's better for blonde wigs especially. I'm still not used to having longer hair because of like over 2 years of having really short hair, so I'm still getting used to it. And yeah, I'm using this cheap-ish wig from AliExpress. It's not a lace front, sadly, but if you do have a lace front, money for a 360 lace front, it's way better, because the back of this wig looks awful. You'll see in the end. And I'm starting off by brushing it out, so it will be easier to style. I'm separating the front parts, constantly looking at the reference picture, and putting it up in the ponytails. I'm using a rubber band instead of a usual hair tie, because I find that rubber bands hold... yeah, this is me looking at the back and being like, ew. Yeah, so as I was saying, rubber bands hold wig hair way better, especially for cons and stuff. If you need to wear for an entire day, rubber bands just hold the wig hair much better than usual hair bands. I'm putting a lot of bobby pins inside of the wig so it will be more steady on my head. You really need to do that, especially if you're doing ponytail wigs, because if you don't, the net will just follow your hand when you're pulling the hair to put in the ponytails. Remember, you can always adjust it after you cut the bangs. This is just for to see the entire shape before I do anything. To cut the bangs, I'm teasing the hair first, and first I'm cutting the bangs so I can see something. I will cut them shorter later, but now I'm spraying and teasing the little hairs there, just so I'll have more volume and more steadiness for this part of the hair. Taking a hair straightener on the lower heat setting, I'm trying to sort of curl the bangs so they'll look more like natural hair. I'm just going in, teasing, spraying, and straightening, teasing, spraying, and straightening. Again and again. Don't let my editing fool you. This entire thing took me so long. I just cut out a lot of it because I was just going back in and back to other parts, and yeah. I'm cutting off the excess hair, starting to cut off at least. I am not cutting straight across, but up and down. This helps give a more natural look. Yeah, you see, I'm straightening again, and I will do that and that. And yeah, just go in and adjust all the pieces to your liking, according to the reference picture that I have open on my laptop next to me. I'm sort of taking small pieces and cutting them off. This also helps that messy look. It doesn't all look so uniform. Now, after I'm sort of happy with the bangs, I'm going in and start cutting off the excess hair on the ponytails. This is just to begin. I'm cutting straight across, and then I'm going in and thinning it out a lot. Like a lot. I cut out like half an hour of that, and this is actually so messy. I'm looking at the reference picture, and hair ponytails are actually pretty thin, so I'm really just thinning it out as much as I can. I tried using thinning shears, but I find that just using those and cutting straight down and straight up, it works way better, because there is a lot of hair. Yeah, I forgot to say in the beginning, I left out a couple of parts on the back of my neck, how it is in the movie. She has like her hair is very messy. This was one of the most difficult wigs I had to style, so excuse my my voiceover, but yeah, you'll manage. This wig used to be curly, so I'm just going in and straightening it again because I forgot to straighten a few parts. And with some finishing touches after I sprayed it. And now I'm again just really constantly going back at the reference picture and seeing how it looks. Here I sprayed it too much, so I brushed it out and sprayed more. And and yeah, I'm struggling with this wig. Oh my god. This was horrible to edit. But yeah, I finished the bangs. And I'm spraying it a lot because I really wanted it to hold as best as it can. And for the roots, you can go in with Copic markers or any method you want. I don't have Copic markers, and I find that I have a lot of control with eyeshadow. So I'm just taking a small, not very small, like a normal sized flat brush with some grey and black eyeshadow. This is me noticing that I didn't do much, but that's okay. I took it off, some of it off with makeup wipe after that. Make sure to go under the bangs as well, just to give it a more natural look. And cat break! Yeah, meet my cat. He kinda hates me, but that's okay. So, after I finish the cutting and the spraying and the finally it's time for the coloring. I'm using... What am I doing with my mouth? Oh my god. This entire editing process is a whole experience. I'm using some hair wax from AliExpress, I'll link it in the description, and I didn't have pink hair wax, so I just used some Snazaroo body paint from Amazon. It worked as well, and yeah. And that's it. Okay, wow. As you can see, that's the back. Let's ignore that. Yeah, if you have the money, buy a 360 lace or something, or if you have like a better method, I don't know. But yeah. Look, this is with the makeup. I forgot to film like an intro and an outro with when I did this cosplay back in April, but yeah, if you have any more questions, comment them down below, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!